You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively in the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To replace the H4 bulb for the dipped and high beams, remove the electric supply terminal for the bulb by pulling on it. Remove the rubber cover, which is around the bulb. To unscrew the bulb, you must simultaneously push inwards and pull to the left. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then, move the metal clip back up. Put the rubber cover back and reconnect the power connection.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
To replace the bulb on your indicator, take the bulb frame and make a single clockwise turn. Everything should come out easily. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb into the base . Take the black power terminal, turn it 1/4 turn to the left and pull it upwards, making small back and forth movements. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Then insert everything into the lights and turn 1/4 turn to the right. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.